replace the cabin air filter of your 2023 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. From the passenger seat, you just pop open the glove compartment right here, and the air filter is right behind somewhere in there, so I'll need to open this up. So first I'll pop this open. So from the edge here you have a little bit of a wedge, so you have to push this and down, and then same thing on the other side, push this down. I have to do it sides. Okay, with that done, you also have this, you have to push this out just to move this pin out of the way. Okay, that's done. Now this is free to go all the way down, and in here you can see the compartment that leads right to your air filter, and at this very end you can see two pins. So we squeeze this, squeeze it, and you take this right out, and that is the old air filter that needs to be replaced. I'm just going to pull this out. You can see how dirty it is. This needs to be replaced, and this is the direction of, not the direction of airflow, because that's the same way the new one is going to go in as well. So I have in here I have a new one, not really the original, but this will do the trick as well. So this goes right in, and after it is in place here, I'm going to fit this cover back in place, and then this fits right in here, and same thing, we just back out the same way that we got in and push this back in place, and on this side as well. So the two of them are in, and then for this pin that we popped out, the pin right here, just need to make sure that it pops right back in, and with that we're back in business.